Okay, so as a reminder, mine was either a pendant or a keychain. So let's see what's inside. Oh, look at that! I was close and I got it. It's actually a pendant on a chain. And this is so connective of Cachet because she's from Eleuthera. Eleuthera in the Bahamas is known for its pineapples. So this is on point. Love the symbolism. This is beautiful. I know it's really cool. Sugarloaf, where this is from, actually has pineapple in its logo. Look at that. There we go. Yeah. So check them out for their teas, and always remember, thoughtful gifts are authentic. Cachet, thank you so much. I love all of these. These are so thoughtful. I can't wait to try them all on. I'm gonna see if I can actually, I have long nails, but I wanted to see if I could get this on. So let's give it, well, I don't think I can give it a go. Let's see. So, there we go. Beautiful. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more at Authentically Michelle.